In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down text animation in CapCut PC. If your on-screen text is appearing too quickly and viewers do not have enough time to read it, don't worry. This is a very simple fix inside CapCut on PC, and once you know where to look, you can adjust it in just a few seconds. The goal here is to make your text animation feel smoother, slower, and easier to follow without changing the text itself. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the text layer you want to adjust. Click once directly on that text block so it becomes highlighted with a white border. That highlight confirms you have selected the correct text element. As soon as it's selected, CapCut will open that text layer's settings in the upper right control panel. This is important because any animation changes you make will only apply to the text layer you currently have selected. Once your text is selected, move your attention up to the top right panel. Under the main tabs in that area, look for the section labeled Animation and click on it. This will open the motion settings for your text and show you the animation styles currently being used. If your text is moving too fast when it enters or appears on screen, this is exactly where you need to be. Now for the key adjustment. In the animation panel, look beneath the grid of animation presets and go all the way down toward the bottom of that settings drawer. There you should see a horizontal control labeled Duration. This setting controls how long the animation takes to play. In many cases, the default value is set very short, which is why the text can feel like it flashes onto the screen too quickly. Click and drag the white slider on the duration bar toward the right. Moving it to the right increases the length of the animation, which slows the motion down. For example, you can try setting it to around 1.5 seconds or even 2 full seconds, depending on the look you want. A slightly longer duration usually creates a much smoother and more polished entrance, and it gives your audience more time to process what they're seeing. That's it. You selected the text track in the timeline, opened the animation settings in the upper right panel, found the duration control, and extended the slider to slow the animation down. It only takes a few quick adjustments, and the result can make your text much more readable and professional.